Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about HTML forms. So the HTML form element is used to create one HTML form, to collect the user input, and then the user input is sent to the server for processing. And the HTML form element can contain different type of input elements. So now we're going to talk about the input element. The input element is the most used form element, and it can be displayed in many ways depending on the type of attribute it has. So the type can be one text, it can be one radio button, or it can be one checkbox, and also we can make it as a submit button, and also we can make it one simple clickable button. So first of all, we're going to talk about the text field. So the input type should be text to create one text field, and the text fields are the single line input field for the text input. And next we have the radio button. So the input type should be radio to create one radio button, and the radio button lets a user select one of the options from the multiple choices. And next we have the checkbox. So the input type can be checkbox to create one checkbox, and the checkbox lets a user select 0 or more number of options from a number of choices. And next we have the submit button. So the type should be submit to create one submit button, and the submit button used to submit the data to the form handler, and the form handler is specified in the form's action attribute. So inside the action attribute we specify the form handler. So whenever we click on the submit button, the form data will be submitted to the form handler that is specified in the action attribute of the form element. So the form element is used to collect the user input, and it sends the user input to the server for processing. And the form element contains different type of input element such as the text field, the radio button, the checkbox, and the submit button. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.